I love the guys. So welcome back to the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, I'm going to show you how you can marinate up some nice, lovely drumstick. Alright, just wash off some drumstick now, and I'm going to show you how to marinate it and, you know what I mean, prepare it and get it ready. Put it down for it to soak. Alright, first thing what we need to do, we're going to put on some spices on it. This is chicken spices. It got garlic, tomato, and chili and onion on it. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is a dry one, crock dry one. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. Okay, lovely and nice. So give it a lovely stir around because you want to get it really lovely. So basically, if you're at home, go to the shop. This is some pepper. And buy yourself some season like that. Alright. Nice and lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful one. Drumstick. I'm sure you know how to marinate in your drumstick at home. Alright. Anyway, some dry chili. If you have some dry chili, pour a little bit of dry chili. That's gonna bring in a lovely flavor. If you have some grounded garlic, put on a little bit of grounded garlic on it, and that's bringing a lovely flavor. If you have some paprika, put a little bit of paprika, not too much. You don't want to kill the power. Simple. Rub in that nice lovely season to it, because I'm just using the spoon. Lovely and nice. Chef Ricardo natural blending season, we're gonna put on a teaspoon. And that's gonna bring in a nice flavor. Put on a little bit of mixed herb. And also a medium-sized white onion. Also, we have some garlic. We're gonna put on some garlic on it. 3 cloves of garlic. So basically that's gonna just bring in a nice flavor also to it. If you have your favorite spring onion, thyme and all these things at home, you can use it. At the moment I run out of time, but spring onion, very good. I love spring onion. So I'm gonna put some of that on it, just like that. Tablespoon of chicken season. Nicely. And also a little bit of, where it is, all-purpose season. That's it. Just a little bit. Nice and lovely. So we need to make sure that rub up really nice and lovely. But what I'm gonna do now is to show you guys how I get it marinated. All right. So look at this. Simple. This is marvelous, guys. Honestly, and I'm telling you, you guys definitely gonna love this one, because when you marinate your meat and put it in your fridge or your freezer, honestly, you cannot go wrong. It's just really amazing. Alright, it's just simple way. It's like coming up to summer. You know what I mean? Time for you to start barbecue up your meat, put them down to go and soak. That means you guys can get to use them. Alright? So that's the first thing what you want to do. Second thing, this is what I normally do, is put my meat in the same container which I brought it into. All I have to do is just wash it out with some lemon juice, pop it straight inside of it like this. Just like this, guys. Honestly, look at that, beautiful. Just rub that, all of that seasoning on top of it, just like that. Just amazing to know what you can do at home with your chicken, your beef, your lamb, whatever you have at home. This is what you can do. Not only that, what I'm going to do next is simple. That's how you normally do it. Put on today's date, write the name on it, chicken, and that's it, guys. Enjoy the recipe.